Steffanie. Welcome to Steffanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Steffanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that. Don't forget to click on that all button on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, it's Monday, so it's another Misfits haul. Well, it's Monday for you, not for me. Today's Sunday for me. But I got my box on Saturday. I didn't open it because I didn't feel like it. Anyway, if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Misfits box this week, I did order a few additional things again this week. Of course, as always, I do not remember what I purchased additional outside of what I selected. I can say they didn't have a lot for me to select from this week. I don't know if I waited late. I can't remember. I think I did. I think I was out at Costco because they changed my selection date to Sundays at 4 o'clock. It used to be on Thursdays at 4 o'clock, and I was always home because I was working. And now they moved it to Sunday at 4 o'clock. And for some particular reason, I used to go to Costco on Saturday, but I didn't go. I ended up going on Sunday, and I was in there, and when I got home, I completely forgot because I have an alarm set to remind me to do my food selection. So anywho, if you're interested in seeing what I got in my box, then stick around and stay tuned. Turn my camera around. Okay guys, let's see what's in the box. Now last time I let it sit for a day, it didn't even have any ice in it, so hopefully today it got freaking ice in it. I don't know how they can get it with ice pack and some food, but whatever. Ice pack today. It's slid, but it's in there, and it's not frozen, but it's still cold. I ordered some baby cucumbers because I'm trying to start back eating better, so and eat that as my snack. Oh, it's a big old apple. Let me put this in a second. So I got some green chard. That looks good. That looks really good. Big humongous leaves. I know some people on my comments say they don't particularly care for chard, but I like chard. I pretty much like all greens. I got some green scallions or onions or whatever you want to call them. I tried to grow these in my garden. They didn't grow. I got another head of cauliflower. It's a pretty big head of cauliflower. I keep saying I'm going to make cauliflower steaks for you guys, but I get to cooking and I just don't have time to tape during the week as much as I used to because I just got so much going on, but I will try. Can't make any promises. I got another spaghetti squash. This is a smaller one again, so the last one I got was pretty small. I got a green pepper. 1, 2. I got 2. Ooh, my fingernail just slid it. Oh well. I got 2 green peppers. And I don't eat a lot of green peppers, so when I buy them, I cut them up and put them in the freezer. And then when I get low on what I got in the freezer, I just order some more because I don't eat a lot of them because they give me indigestion. But these look really good, which is why I don't grow them in my garden because I don't eat them enough. I don't know what this is. It is a surprise. Let's see what it is. Oh, it says Roma on the bottom, so it's tomatoes. I did order tomatoes, that's right. Plus I'm trying to start eating a little bit healthy. And actually I put tomatoes, like if I make avocado toast, I like to put tomatoes on it, and I haven't had any because I ate up all of mine. These ain't quite ready. They still a little yellow. So I'll sit them in the window because they're pretty hard. So I'll sit them out and put them in the windowsill for a little bit and let them see if they get a little bit more red. But you know, it's off season for tomatoes, so they're not as good as they are in the summertime. I got some limes. I thought I ordered lemons. I probably did. I'm sure I didn't order limes. And I guess they probably didn't have any lemons, so they sent me limes instead, which is fine. I can use them interchangeably. They sent me 1 humongous apple. I don't think I ordered any apples. and it's damaged. So I will cut this up and eat this with some peanut butter for my snack today. This is a Fuji apple, but I don't think I ordered apples, but I may have. But, you know, as we all know, I can't remember what I ordered from week to week. I ordered some Idaho potatoes, so they sent me 3 of those. And I do know I ordered these red potatoes. And they sent me a few of those little small new potatoes. I like to chop those up and put them in my green beans. This I ordered extra, and these cucumbers I ordered extra, but I don't think I ordered, I think these are the 2 things that I ordered. I think I just ordered 2 things extra, but we'll see when I put it up on the screen, you know, because I don't know. And this is a very small yellow squash. I guess I ordered that. They only sent me 1. And sometimes I chop these up, especially when I just get little small ones, because it's really ain't enough to just eat. But I chop them up and eat them raw with some salad dressing on it and some cucumbers or something like that. You know, like you get when you go somewhere and they have some hors d'oeuvres out. But yeah. And then I got a little small spaghetti squash. Not spaghetti squash. This is a butternut squash. Butternut squash. And then I got the spaghetti squash as well. So that's pretty much all that I got. Like I said, I waited too late to order. And hell, I think it may have been Thursday when I ordered. So if you don't order at the beginning of your cycle, a lot of times stuff is sold out. Because people, you know, get it really fast. That's the thing. So if your date time to order is 4 o'clock on Sunday, then you need to be on that order at 4 o'clock on Sundays, because if not, stuff gets sold out really fast and you don't have it there to purchase. I mean, to order, select. So anywho, this is everything I got this week. I can't wait to eat this of my cycle. So I ordered some chocolate. I ordered some once before and they didn't never send it because they sold out. But this, can we get it all in there? Oh yes, it's all in there. So what I ordered is these dark chocolate peanut butter cups. They're vegan and gluten free from Unreal, and they're good just like the Justins are good. Some organic baby cucumbers, some big Roma tomatoes that need a little bit more sun, some red small potatoes, some lemons, well, some limes, butternut squash, a spaghetti squash, and a summer squash, 3 Idaho potatoes, a big old thing of cauliflower, a Fuji apple, 2 green peppers, some onion scallions, green onions, whatever you want to call them, and some chard. So that is everything that I got this week. I will try to get another video up this week of cooking something, because I've gotten away from that. I made the cookies, but I need to do something, try to get 2 videos up if I'm going to do a haul and then do something with cooking something. So hopefully I get that up this week. And yes, as always, the code will be below. You get 25% off your first box, and I get 25% off if you get something in your box that is not up to par. Just give them a call, shoot them an email, hit them up on socials, and they'll rectify the situation. They're very, 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 very good about that. Usually I don't have anything wrong with, you know, my food, except for, you know, when COVID first started, as I always say. But pretty much everything is usually decent. And some people say they weigh their box and they don't get what the amount they weigh, amount, you know, I think it's supposed to be 13 or 15 pounds for this 22 bottle Mischief box. And then the other box, I forget what the name of it is. I put that on the screen too, because I haven't done that in a while. But it's 2 different boxes. You can get it weekly or bi-weekly. I get mine bi-weekly. And yeah, so that is it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.